Humans. Nothing matters so much. We're only humans ejected on a small planet, ejaculated on a cosmic bubble, one of hundreds and hundreds, one among billions, little people standing on a galactic marble, brief, finite, delicate. We're only humans, less than specks of dust, less than bugs on a pillow. We're only this that dances in the immeasurable universe. We're a little bit more than nothing. We are the humans who care about their inventions, the humans who learn spelling, who read their own stories, fear themselves, kill and rape, steal and lie. We're the humans who urinate and defecate their own home. We are also the humans who love and kiss, marry and share, the humans who live and die, criticizing themselves with pride of importance, as if someone knew something, as if someone was not improvising, as if something was important in the infinite time, infinite space, as if everything will not disappear, as if we were not condemned to transform ourselves into atoms without memories, cosmic dust, condemned to eternal oblivion, nothingness, emptiness in all directions. We are humans who live in fear, because with their fear, they believe they confirm their existence, knowledge, and importance. How cute humans, so full of faith, courage, ideals. So strong, so damn human. If I could decide, be born in a shape or substance, it will not be a planet, God, or a galaxy, but another soul, human again. Human, with all its weaknesses, diseases, with wars, murders, with their invented importance, with their cancer, with their HIV, with their fictitious culture, with their desire for control, with their many flags and land partitions, with their childish stories. I will go back to being human, knowing that nothing matters so much. I will surrender myself to the vices and the virtues, sliding between the sinister, the beauty, the mud, and the dirt. This time, regardless of the voice of my conscience. This time, without reproaching myself for the faults and mistakes. This time, thanking every drop of blood and salty tears. I will return to being human, because with an insignificant life, the impossible can be achieved. Because there is nothing to lose if life is worth nothing.